we're down here, like in some sort of jungle. Then this is where I used to think a witch lived. I mean, there. There's lots of stuff up here. And then when we go down, there's a bush and a gleaming sun just at the horizon. As we go down, people have put up new grass, even a swing that I'm going to show you. So, now we come down here, down into there, my brother and dad, and we're going down into there. We go right down into here, and down here's the swing. The swing's right there. Come on, let's go. Down here at the swing. This is a very old swing. It was here since I moved here. And let's try it out. Okay, so we're hopping on to the swing. Very good swing too. Oh, this is actually really hard. So don't try doing it yourself, because this swing just is hard to show you. So you have to swing it. Yeah. Down here, some people place a garden. Over here, we have lots of other stuff. We have grass. Here we are. Now, oh, there's puddles everywhere. Look at them. Oh, grease. Oh, what a bright sky. I wouldn't mistake this if this was the solar eclipse. Okay, we're going down. We're going over here, all the way down over here. Then up here, we have a big shed. I have no idea why people put it in there. So much leaves. Over here we have more of those. Up there. Subscribe, nail, smash it.